So I made a trip to Dollar Gentral, and that's what we'll call it, because that's what we call it in the South. There is actually a T in Dollar General, so it's Dollar Gentral. And I picked up a few things that may or may not have been smart. First one was this thing. It was relatively inexpensive, and it came with a pack of Silver Tempest in it, so I figured, yeah, we'll try that. I also picked up the Darkness Ablaze. This pack here with that's Paldea Evolved, and this tin, which I have no idea, but we're gonna check them out. So we're gonna start with my probably worst purchase of the whole pack, which was this guy here, and we got a little book here, a little for storing my Pokemon in. We got a little instruction thing here with showing some cards, and we have a pack of Silver Tempest. So let's see if we can get this open. Look at that. Pop that right open. So let's get it up here and see what we got. Litten, Rufflet, Femikin, Durant, Emogula, Trainer, that's Candace. Looks like a reverse hollow there. We'll put that up there. Gotta move that closer. Armadillo, it looks like is our rare, and it's a non-hollow. So we're gonna send them over here. And we have a power that's non-hollow, and our code card. So our next one here, let's see what's in this guy. Is it wrong? I like to open them this way. So what do we got here? Go-Goat, Scatterbug, Shrumpet, Sprigatito. You guys are gonna hate me. Arvin, the trainer. Cacturn. Messagoza. Ooh. Ultra Ball back there. We have a Zangoose. And we have a hollow. And it's a Meowscarada. Okay. And our energy and our code card. So our next one is this guy here. We got a corner here we can pull easy without tearing anything up. Okay, let's get the pack out of here and our code card, and let's get our card out of here. Our Growlithe. Nice. Our Growlithe back here. And we have a coin, plastic coin. And then we have our pack here of Paldea Evolved. Okay. Makuchita. Pinkerchin. Magikarp. Jet Energy. Wow. Fighting Alote. It's probably pronounced completely different. Sagiro. Magikarp. Reverse E numbered. Ooh, we'll put him back there. Oh, if I can. Oh, he'll stay down there for now. And another reverse E here. A Graphia. And a holla. Slacking. No, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm slacking. And our code card. And our last one, Darkness Ablaze. All right. So what we got here? Gullet, Free Boss, Purloin, Hippopotas, interesting, Centret, Heat Train. He's kind of cool looking though. I kind of like the looks of him. See him turned over here like that. Our first full art of this whole mess. A Grim Snarl. Look at that. Our first full art. And a Cape of Toughness. Yes. So I don't think that haul was so good, but it still was fun opening the packs and seeing what was there. Please comment, like, and follow.